So now in this short, we're going to adjust the rudder control. Got to turn the remote off, hold down 5 while you turn it back on right there, and now it is a flashing. So we're going to get it to full rudder right there. And I just kept pressing up until we got to the end. Hold down 5 until that stops flashing. And now it's moving a lot more. Now we're going to do the opposite. So turn the power off, hold 5, turn the power on. I'm going to go down 10 spots till it makes that noise. And now when I hold down 5 and I reset it, now it's not moving at all. So I'm pretty sure that's what I accidentally did before when one of the servos was not moving. So again, hold down 5, turn it on, and we're going to get it halfway. So we're at the bottom, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold down 5, and now it's moving about halfway. So now in this short, we're going to adjust the rudder control of channel 2, which is this side here. So first I got to, first we'll look at it. So right now I think it's full movement right there. And so I'm going to turn the power off, hold down 5 right there, turn the power back on, and it is flashing down there. So now we're going to turn it down so that we'll get no movement right there. Just down all the way 10 spots. It starts making noise. Oops, wrong one. So yeah, there you can see up, down, it's not moving at all. So now we're going to set it about halfway. Again, you got to turn it off, hold down 5, press the button, and so now we're down at the bottom. We'll go up 5 spots, and then hold down 5, and we should have about half the movement. There you can see we don't have near as much movement as we did before. And again, now we'll get back to full movement. Kind of running out of time, so we're going to hurry this up, hold it up, hold down 5, and full movement.